Hi, we're here at ISE 2026, starting the year off in style with the big show here in Barcelona. At RGBlink we've got a lot to show you this year with a number of new products, especially across our streaming series. So let's go and take a look at what's available at ISE from RGBlink this year. Okay, first up, brand new for 2026 and much anticipated, I must say, has been Mini Max, the latest addition to the Mini series range of streaming switches, production switches from RGBlink. Mini Max here takes 4K inputs and in both HDMI and 12G SDI, and gives you also 4K outputs, first for us, and with the 4K streaming on the output side. So now you can do a true 4K streaming end to end. All the features you know and love and familiar from the earlier models, just improved and enhanced, of course, with this latest generation of switcher. At ISE we're previewing and giving a sneak preview of a product coming out a little later in the year. In addition to the streaming range, really built around capture and acquisition. So this little streamer box here, you can take 2 HDMI or 2 UVC and then capture those, put those out on UVC, one USB-C connection to your laptop, let's say, and you'll see both 4K streams on a single cable connection via USB-C. So unique little product here for, if you like, dual 4K capture. Also has a built-in mixer, so you can do insert of audio and bring some of those external features to your creative platforms. Brand new device here from RGBlink. We call this StreamZ. Now StreamZ is a standalone, fully self-contained, as the name says, streamer, but it's a whole lot more. It's actually a bit like a NAS. It has built-in storage. It's standard with 128 gig. However, you can expand that, of course, as required. So you get recording, you get capture, you get also ISO capture and recording, let's say, so you can record up to 4 inputs to disk as well as the program at the same time. So the capture, you can go UVC out to your favorite device with by setting up programs and presets via a browser interface. Storage, capture, streaming and ISO recording. There's also an agents feature on here which will allow you to do transcriptions from the videos, create voice to text as well as for instance meeting notes. Great little device across a huge range of applications that is going to enable more PC-free capture of content as well as multi-point distribution, whether that's from UVC type source or directly over IP. Take a look at StreamZ. Really quite unique and interesting product for so much more than just capture. Here we have StreamZ set up in a mobile type application, here of course on a tripod using 1/4-inch mounts, and using the 1/4-inch mount for some of the RGBlink mini cameras that are brand new as well, little UVC cameras. So we have up to 4 inputs available on StreamZ, and those can be combined and created presets using the software, which is a web app. So just open a browser to the IP address of the device, and you're able to do the configurations and setups, have a look at your live configurations. Also supports portrait outputs as well as landscape. Also new for 26 is this little touchpad type device. This allows you to program up each of these buttons, of course with icon and so on, for the feature or preset that you're looking to use. This is particularly useful with the StreamZ solution, but of course can be utilised with a number of different devices as well. Great for being able to switch between presets or turn on and off streaming, for instance, start the recording, fully programmable and configurable. New for 26, in addition to our View camera range, View PTZ camera range, is a new 4K model. This new 4K adds 12G SDI, much requested, alongside the HDMI 2. So for people working in a true 4K workflow and in SDI, then we now have this fantastic new offering in our View PTZ range. So it's been a great show here in Barcelona for ISE in 26. We're looking forward to seeing as many of you as possible into the new products like the StreamZ, which are going to open up a whole bunch of new creative possibilities for use of video anywhere and everywhere. Thanks for taking the time to look at our solutions here at RGBlink, and catch you at the next one.